everybody, it's Andrea Mercier, aka Anlum, and welcome to my studio. Today is part 2 of 7, my series of 12 by 12 fluid pours for my gallery show at the beginning of July. The last one I did was awesome. I did this one. It was an experiment to see if I could move the fluid paint around and actually create a design. This one's called Fluid Flowers. It turned out pretty good. I'm fairly happy with it. I find it a little bit childish, but that's okay because it was an experiment. But I love the way the colors moved, and I love the way some of the flowers turned out. So I'm going to do something else today. It's not going to be a picture, it's just something I was thinking of when I was doing it. So it's going to be in fast forward, and I'll see you on the other side. This experiment is called Fireworks. It's completely different from anything else I've ever done. It's going to take a long time to dry, I think. I'm noticing that there's a couple of places where the black is really thin. Just going to try and dab in a bit of black paint there. Dries properly. I don't want the canvas showing. We all know how I feel about the canvas showing. It makes me mental. Again, these, even though they're going into a gallery show, they are experiments. I'm trying to see what the bounds of my fluid painting are. Maybe push the envelope a little bit because I really enjoy doing it. So we'll see. What else? What other cool things we can do with this? So one of the things I know now is I need to put on a thicker bottom coat. I'm also noting that the craft paints that I've been using, just because I wanted to use them up, don't have the same viscosity as the artist paint, and they tend to be a little bit waterier. Okay, if you like this experimental video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe right here. Thank you for joining me on my artful journey and all my little experiments. This proves to you that you can make art without a brush. I would love to see comments down in the dibbly-doo. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you later. Bye.